My name is Dale Ericson. I'm the General Superintendent with Beverly Materials, and this is the Belvedere Irene Quarry. We're concentrating on making concrete stone, asphalt stone, road base, and some ag lime products that could be used for the farmers. We do drilling and blasting here since it is a limestone quarry. From there, a loader transports that to the jaw, 6.5 inches for the top size. Follows the conveyor line and comes up the hill to a surge pile. From there, it hits a scalping screen, goes to a secondary crusher, the Raptor cone, which is a predecessor to the Superior cone. We have that set to 3-inch minus product. Goes up, hits our 2 finish screens, comes back around, the oversized hits our new P400 Superior crusher, and that makes the rest of the product for our concrete stone or our asphalt product. This plant was set up with 2 Simon's cones originally when I started here in 2015. Now this last year we were able to put the P400 in. From the beginning to the end, we've seen a triple in production on the concrete stone and the asphalt products. And we're minimizing our waste by over 15% just from last year to this year. We actually had to adjust our wire cloth in our plant to try to retain more of the fines.
About 5 years ago, they had purchased a Raptor 400 from us in their secondary application, and they had tremendous success on that machine. So now that they have a Patriot Cone Crusher, you got a higher speed cone, you got more throw, so you're making more finished product on a single pass. Where with the Simons, they had more of a recirculating load coming back. Also, now they can make their adjustments on close-side setting with the push of a button.
The ability to go in and have the crusher setting be shown exactly what it is to the decimal point, or if you had to put a new liner in, right, when that time comes, and we can go back to exactly how we're set up, not just guess at it, and really gets us going right to where we left off again that much quicker.